TikTok is a platform of trends. To make sure that you're not missing out on the next big thing, we've compiled some tips to help you spot the next trending niche on TikTok so that you can get ahead of the game and be part of the viral wave before it's already passed. Number 1. Spend time looking around on TikTok. The best way to start looking for trends is to simply take some time and use the app. You'll quickly see what others are doing, and this will help you identify what the current and up-and-coming trends are right now. If you haven't dived in yet, sign up for a TikTok account right away. Scroll through the homepage, the Discovery tab, and pay close attention to what you see and hear from other users. TikTok is all about its user community, and by jumping in and becoming part of it, you can take the first step to finding out what the current and future trends are and will be. You can pay attention to every part of the videos you see in your feed. The angle of the camera, the sounds, effects, and the music the creator used, and the subject matter of the content are all keys to unlocking the secrets of the next big viral trends. A huge part of spotting trends is just watching the content that's already on the platform. Number 2. Look outside your own TikTok niche too. The TikTok algorithm does a great job of giving users exactly the kind of video content they want. Whilst this is an excellent feature that can quickly funnel you into a content lane that suits your tastes, it isn't always great for spotting the next big trend. It's important to seek out content that you wouldn't usually see on your feed too, as there may be a new trend hidden in plain sight on the platform that you just won't see unless you look outside your usual content stream. You can try a few tips to help you see this content. Use someone else's TikTok account to see what they're shown by the algorithm, and watch videos you'd never be shown on your own feed. Head over to the Discover feed and check out what's new and upcoming on TikTok regularly. Click on a sound or song and see what other users are doing with it. You'll find new trends like dances or challenges this way. Use the search feature to find topics and hashtags relevant to your brand, products, customers, and interests. Number 3. Follow the TikTok experts already spotting trends daily. Like any other social media platform, you can follow users or hashtags that relate to your interests. This is great if you want to stick within a niche, but also can be useful for things like finding out insider knowledge on the newest and hottest trends on the platform. Try searching the hashtags #TrendAlert and #NewTrendAlert, or visit TikTok's own Trends page to easily stay informed on the latest. You can also find users that are teaching about trends using these hashtags and follow them so that you will see their insider tips. These accounts are doing the hard work, and if you follow them, you can avoid having to trawl through endless hashtags and scrolling for hours down your feed to find out what might be a trend. These hashtags and accounts are broadcasting this for any followers to see without doing any of the legwork. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.